Hey y'all, my name is Angelica. I am one of the students in Bryce's coaching program. I'm a bookkeeper and I've been doing my own business now for about 2.5 years. Please give it a like, subscribe to Bryce, and also book a call with him if you are curious of how to get your bookkeeping business on a successful page, how to learn certain marketing strategies, and how to gain more clients. I decided to break out and do my own business because my husband and I built this school bus tiny home, and it allowed me to have freedom to be remote and virtual and be able to help my clients while I was out on the road traveling. And so that's one of the reasons that I wanted to do that. Now, I had prior accounting experience and worked for accountants and stuff in the past, and decided to break out on my own. And you may be feeling the same way, where you have all this experience and you want more freedom and you want to travel and you want to do all these different things and you want to start your own business, but you're not quite sure the steps that you need to take to do a bookkeeping business. Well, I'm here to share some steps with you of things that you need to do in order to become a bookkeeping business. So another good thing to practice and to do, not only in your bookkeeping for your clients, but for yourself, is to create a business bank account. This separates your personal income and expenses from your business income and expenses. Just like how you would with one of your clients. You don't want to get their stuff mixed up and it all integrate together, because then whenever tax season comes around, it's going to be really difficult to have those categorized and separated. So make sure that you have a business account, even if it's just idle for a while. And there are several free bank accounts that you can choose from for like free business checking accounts. I have here Bluevine, best overall for free business checking. There's Chase, best free business checking with a traditional bank. Mercury is best for digitally based businesses. Bank of America, best for businesses with larger monthly cash deposits. So that probably wouldn't be the best for you starting out. There's going to be fees associated with it. First Internet Bank, best for earning interest on multiple account types. Novo, best for free international ATM usage. Capital One, best for a traditional bank with unlimited transactions, but it's not free. And then US Bank, best for freelancers and businesses with minimal monthly transactions. So I actually use US Bank as my own right now. That's kind of what I started off with, and it has worked out perfectly fine. There's no monthly fees for anything, and it suits me pretty well. So once that is done, you also want to consider getting some type of business insurance. So you can also look for business insurance with like your car insurance perhaps, but you can also be sufficient enough with E&O insurance. So that stands for errors and omissions. So you want to at least look into that. That way, if you do something in someone's books and there's some kind of error and they are liable for it as far as their taxes and auditing goes with the IRS, then at least you are covered under that errors and omissions insurance. And I know the Hartford insurance has that as an option for you. That's at least something that I use. Yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, subscribe to Bryce, and also book a call with him if you are curious of how to get your bookkeeping business on a successful page, how to learn certain marketing strategies, and how to gain more clients. So thank you again so much, and I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.